Forget the spec sheet for a second, here is what the KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC is actually like to use. This thing is a beast of a machine that will revolutionize your workspace or home entertainment setup. You know how often you've been stuck with a mediocre computer that just can't keep up? A computer that can only handle light tasks, but when it comes to something more demanding, it starts stuttering and lagging? Well, say goodbye to those days with the KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC. This powerhouse of a machine is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 4300U true 4-core CPU that outperforms way more expensive processors on the market. That means you get consistent, unthrottled performance for hours on end, whether you're running multiple browser tabs, streaming 4K content, or managing virtual machines. And let's talk about graphics performance. The integrated AMD Radeon Vega 5 graphics are a total game changer. With 28W power delivery, they're 2.5 times stronger than the Intel UHD graphics found in those same high-end processors from N95 and i3-10110U. This means you can enjoy Tri-4K at 60Hz displays without a single stutter. Perfect for productivity setups, home theaters, or even light photo/video editing and casual gaming. Now, I know what's been holding back your computing experience so far: lack of storage space. The KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC comes equipped with 16GB LPDDR4 for faster multitasking and smooth application switching. And with a massive 512GB M.2 SSD, you can enjoy fast startup times, fast file transfers, and plenty of storage space to store all your projects, media, and data. But here's the thing. I've seen some reviewers mention that the KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC is a bit small, but let me tell you, it's a feature, not a flaw. The compact design makes it perfect for business trips or storing in a bag and taking with you on the go. And the Visa mount allows you to install it on a wall or monitor, giving you more real estate to work with. One thing I will say is that, for some users, the lack of USB-C ports might be a bummer, but trust me, the dual-port USB 3.2 Gen 2 setup makes up for it. With data transfer rates of up to 10 gigabits per second, this mini PC can handle anything you throw at it. The KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC is a total winner, and if you need a reliable, high-performance machine for any number of tasks, I'd say get on the waitlist ASAP. Trust me when I say that this thing will change your life. Subscribe for weekly reviews that actually go deep. You will not regret it. The link is in the description. Take care. See you in the next video.